Hello everyone. It is a Japanese stock channel that everyone is interested in. How much do you know about Japanese companies? Toyota, Sony, Nintendo, Uniqlo, fast retailing. You may have heard of some companies, but you probably don't know many. Also, Japanese is a very difficult language for many people, and it would be very difficult to find out information such as the company's history and financial results. In this channel, in addition to the companies you are familiar with, we will introduce Japanese companies that are not well known but are active around the world. I would be happy if you could find Japanese companies attractive by watching this channel and become an opportunity to invest in Japanese companies. Let's take a look together. 1. Company Introduction. In 1946, Ibuka, Morita, Tachikawa and others established Tokyo Tsushin Kochiyoko, Limited, the predecessor of Sony, in Nihonbashi, Chuoku, Tokyo. Initially, they produced and sold vacuum electronic voltmeters and tape recorders. They launched the transistor radio in 1955 and the world's first transistor television in 1960. At this time, they adopted Sony as the product logo mark and started exporting to the United States and other countries. In 1958, the company name was changed to Sony Corporation and listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. By the way, the name Sony comes from sonic, which means sound, the Latin word sun, us, and Sonny, which means boy. In 1961, the company became the first Japanese stock company to issue an American Depositary Receipt, ADR, with the aim of global expansion. They started raising capital overseas in earnest. In 1970, they became the first Japanese company to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. After that, through M&A, they diversified and expanded their business such as life insurance, finance, music, games, movies, etc. However, the consolidated final profit, USGAAP, for the fiscal year ended March 2014 was a final loss of about 110 billion yen, and the company announced a large-scale reorganization of its two main loss-making businesses. They transferred the PC business to an investment fund, spun off the TV business into a newly established wholly owned subsidiary, and sold their real estate to rebuild their management. Finally, in 2021, the company recovered its net profit to the 1 trillion yen mark. In recent years, they are also active in creating new businesses such as electric vehicles and real estate businesses. 2. Business model/business segment. Their business consists of 6 businesses: game and network service, music, film, entertainment technology and service, imagining and sensing solution, finance. The game and network service business includes the home game machine PlayStation and its network environment PlayStation Network business. The music business includes record labels, artist management, anime, characters, concerts, and media businesses. The film business has movies, packaged videos, and pay TV businesses. The entertainment technology business has a total solution business from development to after-sales service related to cameras, headphones, speakers, and displays. The imagining and sensing solution business has semiconductor device businesses such as image sensors and integrated circuits, LSI. The finance business has a variety of insurance products, banking, and care businesses. I have the impression that each business is earning in a well-balanced manner. 3. Settlement of accounts. They had a period of financial instability, but in 2014 and 2015 they managed to rebuild from the deficit, and their sales exceeded 10 trillion yen. The impact of the corona shock, COVID-19, was small. The operating margin is stable at around 10%. Net income is around 1 trillion yen and they are trying to overcome this barrier. EPS, earnings per share, is a growing trend except during periods of instability, but there is also instability. Although it fluctuates in tandem with their share price, it has doubled or tripled in 10 years. BPS, book value per share, has been growing steadily over the last 10 years. Regarding cash flow, C/F, I have the impression that operating cash flow is sluggish, investment cash flow is high, and free cash is not accumulating much. They also have growth concerns, such as in the game business, and are increasing their investment. In fact, they have announced the acquisition of a US game company. 4. Stock information. Their shares are listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange Prime Market, or the New York Stock Exchange. The stock code is 6758 or the ticker symbol Sony. Their information in the US market is omitted below. Stock price is 12,120 Japanese yen, as of August 17, 2023. The dividend is 75 yen per share. Dividends are gone when they are in the red, but they don't tend to cut dividends in other periods. The dividend payout ratio has been kept to about 10% in recent years. They have stated that they will return profits to shareholders through continuous corporate value growth and dividends. Their stock prices fell sharply due to the Lehman shock in 2008 and the loss in performance from 2011 to 2014, but their stock prices are slowly rising from a long-term perspective. The impact of the recent corona shock on stock prices would have been small. 5. Recent topics. Regarding their future investment policy, they have clearly stated that they will take on the challenge of mobility and the metaverse while focusing on expanding their existing businesses. Regarding mobility, they are aiming to enter the automobile market by utilizing sensing technology and partnering with Honda. In addition, they are expected to challenge the metaverse business by utilizing network technology, VR, and 3D technology. It will be interesting to see if Sony can strengthen its entertainment field. Thank you for watching. We will continue to introduce attractive Japanese stocks on this channel. I would be happy if you could tell me the Japanese companies that you are interested in the comments section. See you soon.